Brian back here with a look at Caspa. All right, we're gonna make this video shorter. I gotta work on that. That's a little bit ridiculous how long I make these. Now we have a little bit of a, this is on the 1 hour chart, a little bit of a possible breakout back test. We'll see if this holds. Needs to take out 12 cents here, and the target for this would be up around 12.8. Okay, but that 12 cents needs to be taken out. We're gonna come back and take a bigger look at this chart and see if maybe a correction is over or not. Now, as far as Bitcoin goes, if we come out in a daily, this thing got very, very close to possibly bottoming. Pull it down here, pull this fib up, and you can see it almost hit that 618 here. It's so close. All right, I still think it has some more downside to it. 57.5, 57.7, somewhere around there. Okay, that's the we take our measurement here with the Fibonacci of 57.9, somewhere in that area, 57.5 to 58,000 bucks, somewhere through there. 57.9, 50, right through that area. That's going to be down around that 702 Fibonacci area. That's where I'm looking for a bounce out of this thing. Or you can go in here, put a trend line on it, this white line here, and any break of 60, call it 65,000 bucks. I would think that would be good enough to that would take out this high right here, and that would take out the trend line. So we'll see what happens there with Bitcoin. The rest of the market over here, got some injectives having a nice day. SUI, BGB, what the heck is that? Oh, BitGet. Okay. Yeah, not too bad. A few things out there doing all right. Caspa for the day is, let's take a look here where it's number 40. The market cap 2.75 billion, 24-hour volume 52.8 million. All right, over here on the top addresses, the last 1 hour, 5 dolphins. Last 24 hours, we've gotten 5 sharks, 3 more whales in the last 24 hours. Wow, how about that? There you go. That's 10 million to 100 million tokens. That's a lot for 24 hours. That's pretty impressive. And 5 sharks. So you can see the bigger wallets down here now. Last video we did, none of these guys were buying. So last 24 hours, well, last 7 days now, we got 10 sharks and 4 whales in the last week. There you go. All right, so let's move on over to. Oh, I do want to show you. I put out a members only video yesterday. I got to show you guys this. All right, if you watch the channel, the members, I put it out yesterday for them. But if you watch the channel, it's a day late. I apologize for you guys, but I want to tell everybody, if you're a member, you deserve to get in early, right? As soon as I heard about it, I got it out yesterday, even before I had a chance to buy it. So games.gg, GAM3s.gg. It's supposed to be games.gg. All right, you might want to go check this out, guys. If you're familiar with Alex Becker, if you've been in crypto for quite a while, he covers gaming. Everything the guy talks about just seems to absolutely go crazy. This thing has a $13 million market cap. Self-reported circulating supply 62.2 million. Within a year, they're going to have about 500 to 600 million out total, and then the rest is over a 3-year period. Total supply is 1 billion. This thing's at 21 cents, roughly where it launched at a week ago. All right. Might want to take a look at this. Super impressive website. They partnered with Immutable X. I have nothing to do with it. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not promoting it. Nothing. I'm simply showing it to you. I think it could possibly be a very big opportunity. So if it's something you want to go look at, go right ahead. Check the website out. Super impressive. Look at all the partners. Yeah, I think right here today, the community page is now live on something. G3 is now listed on I can't say that. Defiance Swap. It's Web3 gaming. Yeah, pretty impressive. Seriously, you want to see a nice website? and partnerships, go check that out. I don't know why it's telling me that with this thing here, but let's get out of there. Get the heck out of there. That thing's driving me crazy. Let's head over to this Caspa chart. All right, now looks like a retest on here. I took a small long position on this thing. See if we can capitalize here on a push up towards that 12.8. That's heading right up to a major resistance area. We zoom out here. I got to get this fib off here. We have a very, very important area that we're really going to have to take out, okay? Right up here, if we put a Fibonacci on here, measure this out, okay? Right up through here, I think it's on a 12-hour, the closing candles, yeah, there it is. That's 618, okay? And we had a 702 hit up here, but that 618, that's one that kind of bothers me there. That's at 13 cents, okay? I would like to see that taken out so that doesn't turn into a big A, B, C, okay, pattern here. You know, if that would happen, the measured move for that would be down. You know, I'm going to go off the 702, would be down towards 86, you know, 86, 87. That's a weekly support area down here. You know, and what I find kind of odd, you know, is these wedges, you usually, you know, the measured move is usually what you get out of these things, okay? So either this is a massive fake out, and then we come back up and take 13 cents out and get back up in this area, you know, or, you know, as bad as I hate to say it, there could possibly be more downside here. We're just going to have to play it as it goes here and see what happens. But that 618 is a super important level that we're going to have to take out here at that 13 cents. Now you can see it did exactly what I said it would do the last few days. It's just ranged in here. That's it. You know, that simply went sideways. You know what Bitcoin did its thing. That's very possible. It does that a few more days, and then hopefully rips towards the upside here. Now, if that smaller breakout in here, that 1 hour, you know, broke this wedge, came back, looks like it back tested all right, starting to move. You know, as long as it clears 12 cents here, I'll feel a lot better about this. Even, yeah, right through here, that's all resistance right through here. So that's a 702 Fibonacci area. Want to see it clear that. Like I said, that target is up towards 12.8, and that is right on that 13 cent area there. That is a major resistance area here for Caspa. That's one we're going to definitely want to gain back here. All right. Now, yeah, like I said, you know, we've barely this wedge. Look how huge this thing is. You know, it doesn't make sense for a downside move. A downside move would absolutely crush this thing. All right, a measurement, and these always, you know, they almost always work out. You know, like 90% of the time to do the size of the wedge. You know, or the you know, it just makes sense that it heads to the upside. To the downside, man, oh man, this, you would be looking at what, a 5-cent Caspa, 5.5 cents. I just don't see that. Now, if we look at RSIs, let's see what's going on here with RSIs. The 12-hour is heading up. Okay, that's good news. The daily almost reset. It's getting there. Okay, another 4.5 hours here. The daily should be reset. The 3-day is rolling over some, and I believe the 5-day is about reset. Yeah, the 5 days about reset, and the weekly is just about there. Another 4 days, and that thing should be completely at the bottom here. Okay, so keep your eye on Caspa, keep an eye at that 13 cents, and you do not want to see it lose this low either. Okay, you want to see it hold this low in here, right here at 10 cents. You do not want to see it lose that. Okay, that could mean that we're heading down towards the the 8.7 area. That could turn into a big ABC. Okay, you want to see if it gets back down this way. You want to see it hold 10 cents. If it breaks 13, that's great news. Total fake out, and I would imagine this thing heading to the upside. And you could, boy, oh boy, that's almost a head and shoulders in there. It's not, but boy, oh boy, as soon as I seen that formation here, it just, I don't think it is. Let's go to 1 hour and look at it. Boy, oh boy, it's so close, ain't it? Right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, but nah. I just, wow, that's super, super close too. What would the measured movement of that thing be? Just curious. Head to the neckline. These can be crooked too, they can go at angles. It just all depends on how they, let's just bring it down, and that would, towards that 10-cent area. It sure looks like a head and shoulders, don't it? I mean, I don't know. Everybody's got their own opinion with this stuff. Some people, oh yeah, it definitely is. No, that's not. It doesn't have a 90-degree pitch at the head, or so. You know what I mean? People say all kinds of crazy things. And that's I've learned to. Some of the stuff that people say in the comments sometimes just totally baffles me. It's like, I'm not. I talked about that other coin. I wasn't promoting it, anything, man. It's selling nothing. I ain't telling you to buy anything. Just, if you're interested, look at it. If you're not, don't. I don't, that's all. But gee, this game's GG. This thing is definitely going to be, something big. I can see it. So keep an eye on 13 cents here, guys. If this breakout continues down here in the 1 hour, watch for a top on this thing around 12.8, maybe 12.9. That's even the measured move here, and I would get the heck out before we run into that resistance up here. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.